I'm Tyler Peroni, the broker and owner of Sutton Benchmark Realty, right here in Greater Sudbury and Manitoulin. And today, I'm going to walk you through how to downsize smoothly, how to avoid the common mistakes, and how to make this transition as simple and stress-free as possible. So let's get into it. People downsize for different reasons, but the most common ones I see in Sudbury are you want less maintenance, you want fewer expenses, you want one level living to be closer to family, or life has just changed and the space just doesn't fit anymore. And here's the truth. Downsizing isn't just about moving. It's about creating a lifestyle that feels a little bit lighter, easier, and more aligned with where you are today. When you keep that mindset at the center, every decision becomes clearer. Here are a few signs it might be the right time to downsize. You only use a couple rooms of your house, your monthly expenses don't feel worth it anymore, yard work and maintenance feel more stressful than enjoyable, you're ready to simplify, or you just want to unlock equity and retirement for travel or anything else that comes your way. And if any of those feel similar, downsizing might be the right move. And the good news, we can plan it at a pace that fits you. The biggest source of downsizing stress is clutter. So here's my number one tip. Start early. Earlier than you think. Don't wait until you're listing your home. Don't wait until your home is sold. Pick one room at a time. Break it down into small pieces and ask yourself, do I need this? Do I love this? Have I used this in the last 6 months? And does it need to come into my next chapter of life? This isn't about tossing everything. It's about keeping what matters and letting go of the rest. And the earlier you start, the calmer everything else becomes. When you're downsizing, the sale of your current home is the key part of the transition. Here's how to get your house market ready without stress. Clean and declutter, obviously. You want the buyers to feel the space. You have to neutralize. A fresh coat of paint does more than anything else almost. Fix small issues. So loose handles, scuffed baseboards, outdated light fixtures. These are small changes, but they have a big impact on your final sales price. And here's the thing. You don't need to renovate the whole house. You just need it to show clean, bright, and well cared for. My team and I can walk you through every step. I'll tell you exactly what's worth doing and what isn't. Downsizing doesn't always mean moving into something tiny. It means moving into something right. Here are the most popular options I see for downsizers in Sudbury. Number one is condos, low maintenance, easy living, great security. Number two, townhomes, still roomy, but with less upkeep. Bungalow, no stairs, easy access, great long-term fit, and the potential to create an extra unit in the basement. Adult lifestyle communities. Now, we don't have that many yet, but they are starting to pop up more. They're quiet, they're simple, and they're aligned with the low maintenance lifestyle. Close the door, lock it, and you're off traveling. The key is to pick something that gives you freedom, not more work. And here's a pro tip. Make a non-negotiable list even before you start looking. Things like no stairs, a garage, proximity to family, budget, outdoor space. The clearer the plan, the easier the move. This is one of the most common questions I get from downsizers. Should we buy our next home first or should we sell our current home first? And the truth is, it really depends on your comfort level and your financial situation. If you buy first, it depends on your comfort level and your financial situation. If you buy first, you know exactly where you're going, your move is smoother, but you may feel pressure to sell quickly. And if you sell quickly, you know exactly what you're working with, how much money you're making, your budget is clear, but you may feel rushed to find your next home. This is where I create a personalized strategy based on your timing, your equity, and also your needs. We can also use tools like longer closings, bridge financing, flexible move-in dates, and downsizing doesn't have to feel rushed. We build a timeline around you. Here's how to make the move as simple as possible. Hire movers and hire them early. Don't wait until the last minute because they're extremely busy. Pack room by room, don't bounce around the house. Label everything. You will thank yourself later. Make a first night box, essentials only. It doesn't have to be this big box with all sorts of stuff, just the essentials that you need for night number one. And give yourself some grace. Moving isn't just physical, it's emotional. You're closing one chapter and opening another. Take your time. You don't need to do it all in one day. The biggest mistake I see is waiting too long. People often delay until the move becomes stressful or rushed or financially tight. Downsizing early gives you control the process, control the market, control how smooth this next chapter feels. I often tell people it's better to do it when you want and not when you have to. If you're thinking about downsizing, you don't have to do it alone, whether you're just starting to think about it or you want to make a move soon. I'm here to help you build a simple plan that fits your lifestyle and at your pace. Call or text me anytime. And if you found this one helpful, hit like, subscribe, or turn on the bell for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.